Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a strike-through using HTML tags for Markdown in Jupyter Notebooks. So we'll start off by creating a new Markdown cell. And then for this cell, we'll add in some text. So we'll add in Python is an object-oriented programming language. And then a portion of the text here to be removed as draft. So remove this part as it is draft. And so if we run this as is, this is just text without any type of formatting. So if we want to strike through this part of the text, so starting from remove and ending at draft, we can add in a S tag. So the opening tag comes before the character which needs to be struck through, and then the closing tag comes after the last character, which needs to be struck through. So the closing S tag here, and we run this now, this part of the text, so starting from remove, ending at draft, now has a strike through. So this is how to add a strike through for text in Markdown using HTML tags. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.